Number 11 on page 301 asks us to solve 1.06 to the x power equals 4.1. We're going to have to use our other method. We cannot use the one-to-one property because we can't create like bases. So we'll use logarithms. So we'll follow the steps that were outlined in the method. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the natural log of both sides. So I'm going to take ln of 1.06 to the x power is going to equal the natural log ln of 4.1. Now ln of 4.1 is just a number. Now I'm going to use my power property of exponents to get the x out of the exponent. So I'll have x times ln of 1.06 equals ln of 4.1. Now just like the natural log of 4.1, the natural log of 1.6 is just a number, so I can divide both sides by that. It's the coefficient of x now. Now don't cancel out the natural logs. It is an operator. You cannot just cancel them out and have 4.1 divided by 1.06. I can cancel the whole thing on the left though. So I am left with x equals the natural log of 4.1 divided by the natural log of 1.06. Now that is the exact answer. The approximate answer, which the book asks for, is 24.22 if I round it to the nearest hundredth. So that is my solution. But if I want to check it, what I'm going to do is put that decimal equivalent in. So I'm going to take 1.06 and raise it to the 24.22. And when you put that in your calculator, you get about 4.10. So the solution is correct.